Fighting surging inflation, the RBI today hiked the repo rate by 25 basis points. As the rate at which RBI lends to banks goes up, the move is being seen as yet another blow to the common man who will now have to grapple with rising interest rates on loans. While the RBI also today raised concerns about the wholesale price index inflation and warned that it is going to only increase in the coming time.
With the inflation soaring and the common man seething under price rise, the central bank bit the rate hike bullet today. Raghuram Rajan hiked the repo rate, the rate at which the central bank lends to other banks, by 25 basis points to 7.75%.
It was important to break the spiral of rising price pressures in order to curb the erosion of financial savings and strengthen the foundations of growth. It is in that context that the LAF repo rate has been increased by 25 basis points.
But even as the RBI tries to contain inflation, banks could push the higher borrowing cost to the consumers, leading to a direct increase in home loan rates. But Rajan has made his priority clear: to tame the raging inflation first.
Both wholesale and consumer price inflation are likely to remain elevated in the months ahead, warranting an appropriate policy response.
The RBI governor even cut the growth forecast.
To send out the right signal regarding inflationary expectations, and therefore the policy rate has been raised by 25 basis points. I think it's a good combination. What will follow hereafter is that the policy rate will become the appropriate signaling instrument.
The central bank has once again sharpened its policy towards inflation. But with analysts warning that more such rate hikes are in store, will Rajan be able to balance growth too? Bureau Report, Times Now.